Part 2. Word problems, addition and subtraction. Addition. Exercise. There are 1230 story books and 150 poetry books in a library. How many books are there in the library altogether? We have to add both the numbers 1230 plus 150. Starting the addition from units place, 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 1 3 and 1. So the answer is the total books in the library are 1380. Ajay deposited 18,000 rupees in one bank and 15,000 in another. What is the total amount of money he deposited in the banks? 18,000 in one bank plus 15,000 rupees in another bank. By adding the two, we get the answer 33,000 rupees were total in both the banks. Subtraction. Exercise. Joseph bought tables worth rupees 6,350 and chairs worth rupees 3,800. How much more did the tables cost than the chairs? Here we do the subtraction. 6350 minus 3800. 6350 rupees of tables, 3800 rupees of chairs. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 13 minus 8 5, 5 minus 3 2. So 2,550 rupees. In a census taken in 2001, the population of a village was 62,947. The census of the year 2011 listed the population as 74,405. How much did the population increase in the meantime? So 74,405 minus 62,947. So the answer we get 11,452. Addition and subtraction, mixed problems. In a nursery, there were 32,140 saplings, 12,789 were mango saplings and 10,423 were teak saplings. How many other saplings were there? First, we will add mango saplings and teak saplings. 12,789 mango saplings plus 10,423 teak saplings. Adding 2, we get 23,212 total saplings. Now we will do subtraction. 32,140 total saplings in a nursery minus 23,212 mango and teak saplings. Subtracting, we get the answer 8,928, that is 8,928 saplings of other samples. Lalitaben donated 75,000 rupees to a hospital. 47,500 were used for equipment and 18,000 240 were used for medicines, how much money still remains? First, we will add the money which was used for equipment and medicines. 47500 rupees used for equipment plus 18240 rupees used for medicines. Adding the two, we get 65740. Now we will do subtraction. 75000 rupees Lalita Ben donated to hospital minus 65740 rupees used. So the answer is 9260. 9260 rupees still remain. Making problems based on the given information and solving them. Exercise. The cost of one company's washing machine rupees 19,999. Cost of another company's washing machine rupees 21,550. From this information, we have to make problem of addition and subtraction. So now let's first make the problem of addition. The cost of one company's washing machine is 19,999. The cost of another company's washing machine is 12,550 rupees. What is the total cost of two machines? 21550 plus 19999 is equal to 41549. So the total cost of the two machines is 41,549 rupees. Now let's make the sum of subtraction. The cost of one company's washing machine was 19,999. The cost of another company's washing machine was 21,550. So what is the difference between the costs of two washing machines? So 21550 minus 19999. The answer is 1551. 1551. Let's see one more sum. Cost of a new motorcycle is 46,530. Cost of an old motorcycle is 8,500. What is the total cost of two motorcycles? This is the sum of addition. 46530 plus 8500. Answer is 55030. 55,030 rupees is the total cost. Now let's make the sum of subtraction. The cost of a new motorcycle is 46530 rupees. Cost of an old motorcycle is 8500 rupees. What is the difference between the costs of the two motorcycles? 46530 minus 8500. Answer is 38030 rupees. 38,030 rupees.